Hi students, coordinate geometry, exercise 5.4. First we are going to see some formulas. General form of straight line. The equation of the line parallel to the line. One line equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. I will take one line equation. We want to find the parallel line equation can be written as ax plus by plus k equal to 0 for different values of k. Listen, I will take one equation 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 line equation. We want to change the line equation is a parallel line equation. Parallel line equation. Now 2x plus 3y plus k equal to 0. So it's a given line equation. This one is a parallel line equation. Change the constant only. For taking k value, different k values, we get different line equations. Okay. Now another one, the equation of the line perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 can be written as bx minus ay plus k equal to 0 for different values of k. And similarly, again I will take the same line equation 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Now we want perpendicular line equation. We want to find perpendicular line equation. First change the coefficient of x and y. First change the coefficient of x and y. Okay. First change the coefficient of, that means 3x 2y, and change the sign in y. And change the constant, that is take k. That means perpendicular line equation is 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 is a given line equation. The perpendicular line equation means first change the coefficients. And change the sign in y. Suppose here minus means put plus means minus, and take the constant k. Okay, 3 changes. So we get perpendicular line equation. Okay, understand or not? Okay, slope of straight line. Next, slope of straight lines. Already we have seen slope equation. Slope equal to tan theta. One formula. Another formula, slope equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Theta given means tan theta. 2 points given means y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now one line equation given ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Find the slope means the formula is minus a by b, that is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Y-intercept minus constant divided by coefficient of y. Okay, so very important, the slope equal to, the formula is minus a by b. Keep in your mind. Okay, now exercise 5.4. Find the slope of the following straight lines. 5y minus 3 equal to 0. We want to find the slope. One line equation given. The line equation given means the formula is minus a by b. Here no x term, then I will take 0x plus 5y minus 3 equal to 0. Slope equal to, the formula is minus a by b. What is a? X coefficient. A means x coefficient, minus 0 by b means y coefficient 5. 0 by any number 0. Okay, but slope equal to 0. So second part, 7x minus 3 by 17 equal to 0. Here no y term, then 7x plus 0y minus 3 by 17 equal to 0. So slope equal to minus a by b. A means x coefficient minus 7 divided by 0. Any number by 0, the value is undefined. But slope equal to undefined. Okay, we get the answer. Second sum, find the slope of the line which is parallel to y equal to 0.7x minus 11. We want to find parallel slope. Keep in your mind, parallel and perpendicular word given means we want to find slope. Okay, now 0.7, arrange the term 0.7x, next y term plus y, go to that side, minus y, minus 11 equal to 0. Find the slope. Slope equal to, the formula is minus a by b. A means 0.7, minus 0.7, here no value means what's the meaning? 1. So minus 1, cancel, equal to 0.7. Parallel slope means directly write the slope 0.7. Okay, next second part, perpendicular to the line. Perpendicular to the line, that means we want to find perpendicular slope. Want to find perpendicular slope. X equal to minus 1 given. Now write the equation. X, no y term, but 0y plus 0y plus minus 11, go to that side, plus 11 equal to 0. Slope equal to minus a by b. Minus a means, what is the meaning? Here 1 is there. Okay, but minus 1 by 0. Minus 1 by 0. Perpendicular slope means, already I told, change the sign and take reciprocal. Change the sign and take reciprocal. Here minus, then plus, cancel. That is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means 0 by 1. Reciprocal, 0 by any number 0. Perpendicular slope equal to 0. Understand or not? Third sum. Check whether the given lines are parallel or perpendicular. Check whether the given lines are parallel or perpendicular. You know, given lines, two lines given. Two lines given means, the lines are parallel means two slope we get. We get two slope. Then parallel means two slopes are equal. That is m1 equal to m2 means parallel. Perpendicular means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1 means perpendicular. Okay, listen. Slope equal to, see the first equation, slope equal to minus a by b. Minus a means here 1 by 3. A means 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3. Here b means 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Denominator fraction, now take reciprocal. Minus 1 by 3 into 4 by 1. What is the value? Minus 4 by 3. I will take m1. Next, another equation, find slope. Slope equal to minus a by b. A equal to minus 2 by 3 divided by, here 1 by 2. Okay, now reciprocal, what is the value? Minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3, m2. See that one. m1 into m2 equal, sorry, m1 equal to m2. Okay, two slopes are equal. But m1 equal to m2, the given lines are parallel. Given lines are parallel. We have to find parallel or perpendicular. m1 equal to m2 means the given lines are parallel. And another two equations, we want to find slope. First equation, minus a by b minus 5 by 23. I will take m1. Okay, and next slope equal to minus a by b. Another equation, see that one. A equal to 23, b equal to minus 5. Minus 23 divided by minus 5, cancel. We get 23 by 5, m2. See that one. m1 equal to minus 5 by 23, m2 equal to 23 by 5. Okay, reciprocal. Now m1 into m2 equal to minus 5 by 23 into 23 by 5, cancel, we get minus 1. m1 into m2 equal to minus 1 means the lines are perpendicular. We get the answer. Okay, next fourth sum. The straight lines 12y equal to minus p plus 3x plus 12, another line 12x minus 7y equal to 16 or perpendicular. Then find p. First line equation, 12y equal to minus p plus 3x plus 12. First arrange the terms. Here minus is there, x term minus, then the term RHS go to that side. That is p plus 3x plus 12y minus 12 equal to 0. Here no, here not change the sign. Here change the sign, here also change the sign. That is p plus 3x plus 12y minus 12 equal to 0. Slope equal to minus a by b. A means x coefficient fully. Minus p plus 3 divided by, now b equal to 12. B equal to 12. I will take m1. Second equation, 12x minus 7y equal to 16. Okay. plus 16 go to that side, minus 16 equal to 0. Slope equal to minus a by b, that is minus 12 by minus 7, cancel 12 by 7. Given the lines are perpendicular, find the p. Given lines are perpendicular means condition is m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Okay, m1 write this, m2 write this. Okay, now 12 12 cancel, minus minus also cancel. What is the balance? P plus 3 divided by 7. P plus 3 divided by 7 equal to 1. P plus 3 equal to, cross multiply 7. Appa P equal to 7 minus 3 equal to 4. That is P equal to 4. We get the answer. Fifth sum. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point P minus 5 comma 2 and parallel to the line joining the points Q 3 comma minus 2 and R minus 5 comma 4. Now read the question carefully. Find the equation of straight line passing through the point and parallel to the line. Parallel means already I told, find slope. Okay, parallel to the line joining the points. 2 points given, we want to find parallel slope. 2 points given, we want to find parallel slope. First we want to find parallel slope. QR, I will take x1 y1, x2 y2, slope equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. 4 plus 2 minus 5 minus 3. What's the value? 6 by minus 8 cancel, minus 3 by 4. Parallel slope means right as it is. That is slope equal to minus 3 by 4. I will take m and take the another point minus 5 comma 2. I will take x1 y1. One slope and point you know. One slope and point no means slope point form. That is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. The equation of the straight line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus, what is the y1 value? 2 equal to m value minus 3 by 4. X here minus 5, then formula minus plus 5. 4 cross multiply. 4y minus 8. 4y minus 8 equal to here minus 3x minus 15. See that one? X value minus, then change the sign in RHS. That is 3x plus 15. Now LHS write as it is. Plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. But 3x plus 4y, 15 minus 8 plus 7 equal to 0. We get the answer. And the sixth sum, similarly, find the equation of the line passing through 6 comma minus 2 and perpendicular to the line joining the points 6 comma 7 and 2 comma minus 3. Here we want to find perpendicular slope. We want to find perpendicular slope. Write the 2 points 6 comma 7, 2 comma minus 3. x1 y1, x2 y2. Slope y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is minus 3 minus 7. Here 2 minus 6. What's the value? Minus 10 divided by minus 4, cancel, 5 by 2. Slope equal to 5 by 2, but we want perpendicular slope. Perpendicular slope means, already I told, taking reciprocal and change the sign. Taking reciprocal, 2 by 5. Here no sign means plus is there. Put the minus. Minus 2 by 5. I will take m. And another point, the equation of the line joining through the point 6 comma minus 2. But the point is 6 comma minus 2. I will take x1 y1. The equation of the line is here one slope you know and one point you know. The formula is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Upper y1 value minus 2, here formula minus plus 2 equal to slope minus 2 by 5, x minus 6. Now cross multiply. Cross multiply 5y plus 10. 5y plus 10 equal to now minus 2x minus 12. Sir, minus into minus plus 12. Okay. Now here minus. Then change the sign in RHS. 2x minus 12. LHS write as it is 5y plus 10 equal to 0. But 2x plus 5y minus 12 plus 10. What is the value? Minus 2 equal to 0. We get the answer. Okay. Thank you, students.